Want to know how to download Canara Bank app? You would want to download Canara Bank app to perform transaction anytime, even outside the regular banking hour. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to download Canara Bank app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Play Store app on your screen. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Here, search for the Canara Bank app. In the search result, you can see the Canara Bank at the top. Tap on the Canara Bank app. Likewise, tap on the install button to download the app. It might take few seconds to download the app. So this is how you can download Canara Bank app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.